Hello, my dear lovely students. I hope you are doing well. So, today I'm going to discuss one of the very important issues with you kids. I have received messages from many students, from the my students, right? So I was teaching them. I have seen them doing so much hard work, and I'll be telling you that what issues happened with them in the exam hall. So let's discuss everything, the reality of the NEET 2024, and then you will be writing in the comment box if it is right or they should conduct re-exam. Let me take you ahead. This is the first thing. NEET UG 2024 paper leaked, NTA denies allegations. Even on the 6th of this month, they have released, again, they have released the update in their, website, NTA website, where they have mentioned that, yeah, in one center, students have got the paper in different language. How come is it possible? Right, how NTA can do such mistakes, and it doesn't happen in one center only, it happened in many centers. I've got to know afterwards from my students. So they have got paper in different language, and then some kids from the, I guess from the Rajasthan, they just took the paper and they just went out forcefully. How come it is basically possible? And like after that at 4 p.m. paper got leaked before the exam. So obviously that time all the students who were giving the paper were there in the exam center. They cannot access the paper. It was not leaked, that's why NTA justifying it. But what about the kids like in various centers? And some kids were saying me that they have got paper 1.5 hours late, and they had only 1 hour to write the exam. Now you just imagine the mental status of these kids now. You just imagine the confidence of these people, of these students, and they were not able to attempt the paper with the mental peace, and they ended up marking the wrong answer. They just attempted half paper, and that too ended up marking the wrong answers because they were not able to focus in the exam. They were so much stressed. So what about those kids? Why NTA is not talking about those kids, which happened in various centers in southern part of India, like I guess in Tamil Nadu it happened. And see, NTA denies this allegation on 6th also, on the 5th also. Wrong NEET paper landed out on the Chhattisgarh district 400. Even I have received messages from various of my students, from many students of mine. They are from the Meghalaya, Nagaland, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, this Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Haryana. They have received wrong paper. So why NTA is not talking and acknowledging these kids, the hard work of these kids? What would happen with these kids? So they have done hard work. They have taken a year drop for this exam, year or two drop. Then what will happen with their hard work? Next news is 3 held for the impersonating NEET candidates. So means rich people giving money to other person to appear for the exam on behalf of some other student. And like some of them are basically arrested. But what about the other? We don't know that how many of them are doing this thing. How many of them are doing this impersonating NEET candidate? How many of them are actually giving exam on behalf of others? So what about these students? It is just, it's basically mockery of these students who are really hard work from the middle class background. What about those kids? So why? How exactly it is allowed? And it is the biggest exam body, and then these things happening. It should not be neglected at all. And then let me show you this NTA notice that where they are saying that it happened in one center that many kids have like forcefully went out before the exam. But by that time exam was started, so it was not leaked. Okay, we agree it was not leaked, but what about the kids who have got the wrong paper? Even kids have sent me the paper which were different than we were discussing on in class or in YouTube, the NEET paper. So what about those kids? So when we talk about the NTA, this NTA press, right? So they have mentioned that it happened in one, that student went out forcefully, and later they have reconducted exam for them the same day. And what, I mean, if these people have leaked the paper before the exam at 4 p.m. and then they were again like asked to sit for the exam, then what, like they may have searched answer using Google, Chat GPT and all, perhaps. Right, so like what is right, what is wrong? I'm not asking like I'm not saying that re-exam should happen, because like many kids have given exam, And you never know that the re-exam would be difficult or easy, right? So like, who is going to conduct the standard, who are going to decide the standard of the exam should be same as it happened? So you suggest me, and these students who has suffered, and the students that you know, the relatives that you know have suffered from all these issues, please share this video with them so that they are just writing it, sharing it, and getting aware that what should, and they should at least write down in the comment box, they should share it with the other kids, so that at least it would be reaching the officials and they would be acknowledging all the problems, all the issues that happened across the country in many centers with various students, with many students. So only this much data is given in some newspapers, but I have received many messages from various students from various states. So kids, now it's your call. You will be writing down in the chat box what should NTA done, right? What should they do? So you just think about all the cases that happened. And one video got viral also, right? So see that, like I have put it here. I guess I forget to put it there. So I'm sure you have seen that video which go viral, and they were having this NEET exam paper, right? And they have, I mean, that video was having the NEET exam paper, and NEET NTA, this news NTA update has mentioned that video having the question which were not asked in the NEET. So nothing was leaked, no paper was leaked. But what about the other cases? NTA should acknowledge it. They should think about the hardworking students. Now you will be writing your suggestion in the comment box, share it so that it will be reaching to various students, and similar videos will be reaching to these students, so that NTA officials will be taking care, acknowledging these issues also. So all the best, kids, and don't be sad, right? Don't be disheartened. Everything will be resolved soon, right? So I know that all of you have put so much hard work for this exam, and many things, many issues happened across the countries, and many issues, many students got suffered, and they should not be suffered, because NTA should take care of all the kids of our nation, right? So let's see what happened, and I will be coming up with the new updates for you kids. Have a great day.